Welcome guys, this is my first video and I hope you like it. This video will be about how to get the maximum FPS while playing any single game. So to do this you need to first go right click and open up Nvidia control panel. It should look something like this. So we're gonna go step by step. First go to 3D settings and the first thing you're gonna see is adjust image settings with preview. You're gonna click on it. So for you guys it will look something like this. Use the advanced 3D image settings and it will be set to balance. So make sure to click use my preference emphasizing and make it performance. Then you're gonna click on use the advanced 3D settings. So then you're just gonna hit apply and that's it. Your screen might froze for a couple of seconds, but it will go back once it's applied. So after it's applied, you're gonna go to manage 3D settings. This is the most important settings in the whole Nvidia control panel. So make sure to watch carefully. First thing is sharpening of scaling. This for all of you will be off and GPU scaling will be checked. Make sure you check GPU scaling. And if your computer doesn't crash while playing games, you should put it on. But if your computer crashes while playing games, like Fortnite, Creative Destruction, some of those games, then just leave it, turn it off. Then all of these are not that important. Actually, no. Until I don't know how to read this. Oh my god! Anti-aliasing gamma correction should be off. For most of you, it will be on, but make sure you turn it off. This. Then you should leave everything the same, and then you're gonna go to low latency mode. It should be somewhere over here. This, if you're getting less than 60 FPS, put it off. But if you're getting more than 80 FPS, leave it on. So basically then max frame rate, this doesn't affect the game much. You can leave it off or on, it doesn't make that much difference, so that's not important. Then you have OpenGL rendering GPU. Most of the times this will be selected auto select, but make sure you select your graphics card. Then the next one is power management mode. Always set to prefer maximum performance. Always. And then everything else should be the same except texture, filtering, quality. This should be high performance because most of the times this will be on quality. You want to put that on high performance. After you've done that, you're gonna hit apply. Wait, I accidentally put. You're gonna put it high performance, and then you just hit apply. So your screen might froze for like 3 to 4 seconds, but then it should start like glitching or something, and it will be set. Then let's go to set physics and configuration. You're just gonna go to this box, and most of the time it's going to be auto select. If you have a good graphics card, make sure to select your graphics card. But if you have a bad graphics card, select CPU. It will be a lot better. So and then hit apply, but I didn't make any changes, so it won't say apply. Then change resolution. There shouldn't be anything special. You just change the resolution, that's it. Then let's go adjust desktop color settings. For most of you it's gonna look something like this, but make sure you click on use Nvidia settings, and then you're gonna go to the bottom where there's digital vibrance. Make sure to set this to 70 or 65 because those are the best digital vibrance, but I prefer 70 because for me it's a lot better. Then rotate display, we're gonna skip this. Set up digital audio, we're gonna skip this as well because there's no need. And if you've done, then it's adjust desktop size and position. If you've done all the steps correctly, you should end up with aspect ratio. And if you have aspect ratio, then you have done everything correctly. Then we're gonna go to set up multiple displays. We're gonna skip this because I don't have multiple displays. If someone has multiple displays, then it might be different, but because I have only one display, it should look like this. Then adjust video color settings. So for you guys it will look like this, but make sure to click on not use the with the video player settings, use with the Nvidia settings. And after you selected that, go to advanced, and for all of you it should be selected limited 16235. Make sure to put it on full 0255, then just hit apply, and then this should pop up, and just hit yes. And then your screen is gonna froze, and it will be back, and it's gonna be a lot better while you're playing games. Then this should pop up. You don't want to change anything here, because if you change something here it will be a pain in the butt to fix it. So don't change anything here, because you're gonna struggle a lot, and there are no videos on YouTube to how to fix it. And I know this from experience, because I accidentally screwed it once. I made everything the way it wasn't supposed to be. So those are all the settings on Nvidia control panel, and after you've done all these steps you should just go refresh your computer a bunch of times. And after you refresh it, make sure to restart your computer, so all the changes will be applied correctly. So this is the end of my first video. Make sure to tell me if you liked it. Like and subscribe if you liked, and if it helped you get better FPS. Or if you didn't like it, it's no problem, you can just hit the dislike button. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.